What's the meaning of coruscate? Coruscate. Coruscate.
Coruscate. Coruscate. The word coruscate means to emit bright flashes of light or sparkling brilliance. It suggests a sudden and intense burst of illumination, often accompanied by an element of vibrancy or liveliness. The result of coruscation is a dazzling display of radiance that captures the attention of the viewer and creates a sense of wonder and awe. Coruscating light can be seen in a variety of contexts, from fireworks to lightning to the shimmering waves of an ocean at sunset. Overall, the word coruscate conveys a sense of dynamic energy and vibrant beauty.